Where the heck are we? Oxygen content is low. I suggest we limit our breathing.
Sorry, I get gassy when I fly.
Toot sweet, he does.
We must be on a plane. What did North Wind do to us?
Oh, they gave us badges.
Not badges, tranquilizer darts. Classified. That low-down dirty dog is trying to kick us off the mission.
He thinks we can't save the penguins because we're just penguins.
Well, penguins are our flesh and feathers. They're us. And if anyone's gonna save us, it's us.
But Skipper, we've got to be 5 miles up. That pretty much limits our options.
I make my own options.
Brilliant move, Skipper. But now we seem to be outside the plane.
Well, kind of got caught up in the moment. Well, hindsight's 20/20. Okay, Kowalski, your turn to pick up the slack.
Oh, why don't we catch that plane?
Third strike, log it. We've got another target. 12 o'clock.
Good, it's only 11:30. Follow me, boys. We're going in hot. No one likes to show off, Private.
Aim for first class.
Stay on target.
We're gonna catch it! We're gonna catch it! Mikey, we're not gonna catch it!
But where's Skipper?
Time to get creative. Start grabbing boxes, boys. Oh, Private, stop playing with those backpacks. Find something useful. Now we're talking. Let's get to work.
400 meters. 300 meters.
Think American, Kowalski.
Sorry, sir. 218 yards.
109 yards.